Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's be real. Most of us have turned Islam into a personality cult. We follow scholars, sheikhs, and so-called religious figures like they hold the keys to Jannah. Instead of going straight to the Quran, we'd rather listen to lectures, debates, and opinions. But here's the question. Why are we so eager to hear someone talk about the Quran, but not willing to read it ourselves? In the Prophet's time, even the Friday khutbah was focused on the Quran. But today, we've replaced Allah's words with long speeches, emotional storytelling, and personal interpretations. We treat scholars like divine authorities as if they can never be wrong. And when they make mistakes, which they do, we blindly follow them into misguidance. This Ramadan, I challenge you, binge read or listen to the entire Quran in your native language. No tafseer, no scholars, no distractions. Just read or listen. And as you do, write down every question that comes to your mind. You will have questions. Some will shake you. Verses about prophethood, about the rights of women, about punishment, things that people argue over. But instead of stopping and getting lost in debates, just finish the Quran first. Get the full picture. Then go and seek answers. The biggest shirk in history happened because people elevated a righteous man, Isa, Jesus, peace be upon him, to a position above what Allah intended. And we're doing the same thing today, worshiping personalities instead of connecting directly with Allah's book. Allah did not send the Quran for scholars alone, He sent it for you. Yet, we refuse to put in the effort. We wait for someone to spoon-feed us religion instead of going straight to the source. So this Ramadan, no more excuses. Open the Quran, read or listen to it, understand it, and reconnect with Allah without intermediaries. May Allah guide us all.